So students, in our today's class we are going to discuss exercise 6D, and in our last class we have discussed this your A part, and in today's class we'll start from that is your B. Fill in the missing term making a perfect trinomial squares. Okay, now we can see from 12 to question number 17. Okay, all these are the trinomials. Okay, and one term is missing here. Okay, here this middle term is missing, here also middle term, here also middle term, here first term. Okay, so we are asked to find out this what your missing terms. Okay, and one more thing is given here, making a perfect renewable squares. Okay, that means we can find out the values or these missing terms by what you're making perfect renewable squares. Now let's see how to find out. So you can see here, this is our 12th number question, that is your n square, and this middle term is not known to us, plus 49. Okay, now we are asked to find out the value to this middle term. Okay, by what you are applying your perfect renewable squares. Now when there is a case of perfect renewable squares, what do we know? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. Okay, this is the general form. Now see here, square of first term, square of first term, square of second term. Now see in the mid term what we have here, 2 times of AB. Now what is 2 times of AB means? Actually what? 2 times of your product of first term and second term. Product of first term and product of first term and second term. Now you can see how to find out. N square, this first term. Okay, then plus this 49, can I write as 7 square? Yes, it can be. Now see here, this is your a square first term, and b square is, this is your third term. Okay, that means what we have here, 7, here we have n. Now in as a middle term, what I have, 2 times of this first term and third term. That means can I write here 2 times of, that is your first term is what here, first term is your n, into 2 times of a, that is your first term, into third term. What is the third term here? 7. Okay, so you don't get confused. Actually the third term is 7 square, but we need to write what, 7 only here. Okay, or you can write like this also, it is the same thing. Okay, within the bracket. Then you can see here, this is your n square plus, now 2 into 7, that is your 14. Now 14n plus 49. Now you can see here, this is our value to the middle term, that is your 14n. Okay, so this 14n in our whatever, 14n is the value to this middle term. Okay, see I have solved your 12 number question, and 13 and 14 are same with your 12, so I'm leaving this one as homework, this 2 as homework. Now I'm going to solve question number 15. That is, now see here, in this question our first term is missing. Okay, second and the third term is given. Now we need to find out what your, and this is our first term. Okay, now see, age first term is not known to us. Okay, so I'll write question mark as it is here. Okay, plus this third term is 64. 64 means a square of 8. Okay, now see here, according to the formula, this is not known to us. Okay, but this term is known to us. Again, the middle term is 2 times of AB. Okay, then this 2. Okay, then this term is not known to us. Okay, but I know this term, that is your 8. Okay, now you see here, 2 into 8 makes how much? 16. It's okay. Now what is left out here? X. That means, okay, that means, see, this 8 is actually what? This 8 is your third term. Okay, and when I make the product of 2 and third term, it gives me 16. That means this x must be your first term, isn't it? Then you will get 16x. So I'll write x here. Okay, and then x here as well. Okay, so this x square will be what, our, this x square will be our first term. Okay, so hope you have understood this one. I'm repeating it again, it's very simple. So firstly, this term is not known to us. Okay, the second term is your 8 square. Okay, that means 64 means I can write 8 square. Now according to the formula, I should write 2 times of first term, and if you see from your first term and second term, see, 2 times of, this is your third term, you write here, and into, okay, into something may be there. Now see here, 2 into 8, that is your 16. Okay, that means this place always should be equal to this one. Now see, this is 16 is making. Okay, that means what I should multiply here to make it 16x, I must multiply here x. That means here 2 is from the formula, 8 is your that what 8 is your third term, that means what this x must be your first term. Okay, so this will be what your x square. Okay, then you can see here 16th question, that is your p square minus 10pq plus, this is your question mark. That means in this question we have to find out what your, this is your third term. Now here we'll proceed, we'll apply the same procedure. The first is your, okay, p square minus, now according to the formula it should be 2, it should be what your 2 times of this, a means what 2 times of first term and b means your into third term. Now see here 2 times of first term is what your, first term is your p, but what I have here, I have here 10pq. Now 2p I have here, so what I should multiply with these two terms to make it 10pq, because see 2 into p is here. Now if I write 5 here, then 2 into 5 it is 10p, but I have q here also, so can I write 5q. Okay, now see here, this 2 is from formula, this p is your what first term, that means what this 5q is must be what your, this 5q must be your third term, so you write here 5q whole square. Okay, then you write here that is your p square minus 2 into 5, that is your 10pq. Now 5 square means that is your 25q square, that is your q square. Now 25q square is our missing term. Okay, now we are going to discuss, that is your factorize the following trinomials. Okay, see here I have to, from here I have solved few questions, and this left of questions are given to as homework, try to solve by yourself. Now we are going to discuss, that is your C, factorize the following trinomials. Okay, now see here from 18 to 30 we are given trinomials and we are asked to factorize. Okay, so here as well the same thing will apply, either a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form. Now see how to solve this part. So you can see here 18th number question is a square plus 2a plus 1. Okay, see actually from the C part, okay, the part is our C. Now a square plus 2a plus 1 we are asked to factorize this one. Now see here, this is your a square plus, okay, then plus this is your 1 square means 1 I can write. Okay, then see here 2 times of, this is your first term into third term. Now see actually a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Now see here factorize means we need to write this a plus b form. That means to write this in your a plus b form, this trinomial must be expanded in this form, that means the square of first term plus 2 times of product of first term and second term plus b square. So this is how we need to write. Now see I have arranged here in same way, a square plus 2 times of a into 1 plus 1 square. That means now can I write a plus b whole square form, which means your, now see a plus b whole square means what, see this a is your first term and b is your third term. Now a plus b whole square, that means first term plus second term and whole square. Now I'll do the same thing here. What is the first term here, that is your 1 a, the third term is that is your 1, then you write whole square. So this is our answer to the 18 number question, and we have factorized here. Okay, hope you have understood. I'm repeating it again. You can see here factorize means actually we are asked to find in what your a plus b whole square form. Now see is we are asked to find out, asked to write in a plus b whole square form, which means it must be first written in this form. That means a square plus twice b plus b square. Just the difference is that here we have a plus b, here we have another term, but the your idea remains same. Okay, then see a square plus 2 times of, that is your first term into that is your third term plus square of third term, here also same thing. Okay, now see a we have expanded in this form, then I can write a plus b whole square. That means a means what, this is the first term, you write here plus, and b is what third term, then that is your sum of first term and third term and whole square. Sum of first term, sum of third term, sorry, first term plus third term, and that is your whole square. Okay, hope you have understood. Now you can see here that is our 20th number question, that is your y square minus 18y plus 16. Now see here we minus now, that means I have to write in this form a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. Now see these two are the same form, square of first term minus minus plus plus and then this term. Okay, whenever this term, so I must write what are a minus b whole square. Then see the square of first term, that is your y square minus 2 times of ab, a matlab that is your first term, 2 times of a means that is your y, into b means that is your third term. So before writing b, this 16 can I make 4 square, 4 square means 16. Now actually this third term is our 4. Now you write here 4. Now you check whether it's matching or not. Y square 2 into 4, that is your 8y, 8y it's matching, 4 square means 16. Now it's matching. Now what I should write is your first term minus third term whole square. First term is your y minus your third term is 4 and then whole square. So this is the factorized form of your what, y square minus 18y plus 16. Now see, this is our 22 number question, that is your 81 plus 18x plus x square. Okay, now very simple. See, square of 9 is how much? 81, because 9 9s are 81. Then you write plus here. So right now you don't need to, no need to write your this middle term. Then x square is here, so you write x square. Then square of first term, square of third term. Now here we should be what, 2 times of, we must have 2 times of your product of first term and third term. Now see, 9 square 81 matching, 2 9 18 x, it's matching, x square matching. Now what I can write is your, according to the formula I have explained here, 9 plus x whole square. So this is our factorized form of your 22nd number question, that is your 81 plus 18x plus x square. Okay, now you can see here this is a 25th question, that is your 16a square minus 40ab plus 25b square. Okay, so we'll repeat the same process. Okay, so first of all you see here, okay, 16a square, 16 means square of 4 gives you 16. That means if I write 4a square, then it is again 16a square. You can see 4 square means 16, a square. So a minus here, you write minus here, and then you, for right now, left this middle term. Then 25 means can I write 5 square, b is already here. That means can I write 5b square, which gives me your 25b square. Now I have a first term and third term. Now I need to make what your middle term. Now middle term is what, 2 times of first term into third term. Okay, then you can see here 2 times of first term, that is your 4a, into third term, that is your 5b. Okay, then you can see here, okay, that is your 4a square minus, okay, do one thing now, not to write this one, so I can write like this. See here, 4a square 16. Now see, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 5, that is your 40a into b. Now these two are matching now. Now it's okay. Now 5b square means that is your 25b square. Now I can write what, this is your first term is your 4a minus, that is your 5b, because we have before 2 times of this we have a minus here, so we must write in your a minus b whole square format. So you write this one. So 4a minus 5b is our answer to the 25th question. Now so this is our 26th number question. This is little different. Okay, x square plus 5x plus 25 by 4. Now see how to solve this one. The first is your x square, okay, plus, then here I'll write plus this 25 by 4. Okay, now see here, 25 means square of 5, 4 means your square of 2, that means can I write 5 by 2 whole square. Now see, square will come over this 5 square means 25, then it will go over here 4, so 2 square means 4. That means I am not making any changes. Okay, one thing you should remember, whenever you are writing square, okay, whatever the number you have here, you have to make the square of this. Okay, you cannot increase or decrease. Okay, after squaring this quantity, it should be always equal to this one. It cannot be increase or decrease. Here also same. Okay, then you see here, we have a first term and the third term. Now here I have to write 2 times of first term x, then this is your third term, that is your 5 by 2. Okay, now see here, now I need to check after simplifying this part, will I get 5x? Now see here, 2 cancel, then 5 into x, that is your 5x. That means this is equal to this quantity, equal this quantity is equal to this quantity, this is equal to this. That means it's okay. Now I can write here, the first term is your x plus the third term is your 5 by 2. Now you write whole square. So this is our simplified or the factorized form. Now see, this is our 29th number question, that is your x square by 4y square minus 2 by 3 plus 4y square by 9x square. Now see, this question seems little tricky or the complex, but it's very easy. Okay, see how to solve. Okay, the first term, okay, we'll square the first term. Okay, x square by y square. Now see here, this one x by square of 4 is, that is your 2 square gives me 4, so 2y, can I write whole square? Because see, I'm not making any changes. First this square will come over x, so it will be x square, and then it will come over 2 square means 4, and then it will come over y square. That means I'm not making any changes. Then you have a minus here, you write minus, then you have a plus here, you write plus. Here also this your 4 is here, can I write 2, then this is your y, 9 means that is your 3, and then x, can I write whole square? See, I'm not making any changes here as well. Okay, square will come over 2 square means 4, again come over y square over 3, 9 square, because 3 square means 9, and again over x, that is your x square. Okay, I'm keeping the same, just I wrote in what your format of square only, because as I need to expand in what your a plus b whole square format. Then you can see here the middle term must be your 2 times of, okay, product of first term. Now see here, that is your x by 2y into, what is the third term? That is your 2y by 3x. Now see, our middle term is 2 by 3, but are we getting 2 by 3 here? Now let's check. See, this x will get cancelled, this 2y will get cancelled, then see here we have a 2 by 3. That means these two are also same, even though it's many more terms are here, but you can cancel it out. At the end we will have what your minus 2 by 3 only. That means this is matching, this is also matching. Now I can write what your the first term, that is your x by 2y, you have a minus here, so you write minus here, because this is actually a minus b whole square format. Okay, then what I have here, the second term is 2y by, that is your 3x whole square. So this is our answer to the 29th number question. So here also in our C part, okay, I have solved few questions, and left questions are given to you as a homework, because the type of the questions or the process to solve remains same. So that's why these questions are given to you as homework. Now we are going to solve, this is last part, find the square root of the following trinomials. That means we have to find out the square root of all these trinomials. Okay, over 1 2 3 4 5 parts are there, so out of these 5 parts I will solve 2 or 3, so remaining will be given to as homework. Okay, now see, this is our 31st number question. It is 64 minus 6y plus y square. Okay, now we have to find out the square root. Okay, now how to find out, you see. Okay, first of all, this 64 means, can I write 8 square minus 16y, I'll write right here, plus this I'll write what your y square. Now see here, what I should write, 2 times of, this is your first term into this term. Now see here, is it 8 square 64, 2 into 8 16y, y square no change. Now see here, this means this one, can I write 8 minus y whole square. Okay, now see here, therefore we are asked to find out the square root. That means you write all this, your 64 minus 16y plus y square, this is equal to what, your square root of 8 minus y whole square. Now this square root cancels, so this is square will cancel, this is square root, then what I will have here, 8 minus y. So square root of this is what, your 8 minus y only. Okay, so this is how we need to solve. Now this is our 35th question, that is your last question. Now how to solve, see this one, this a square by b square, that means, can I write your a by b whole square? I can write like this, plus I will not this term, plus this one, can I write b by a whole square? Then according to the formula I should write 2 times of first term, that is your a by b, into that is your b by a. Now see, this one is matching. Now we'll check this one and this one is matching or not, because it's simple. A get cancel, b get cancel, whatever 2 only, that means it's matching. This is also matching. That means now can I write this one, a by b plus b by a whole square. Now we are asked to find out what is square root. So write square root under that is your a square by b square. This is another part, okay. Square by b square plus, see this part I am solving. So remaining part you can see here. We need to find out the square root of this root. So you write under square root, that is your a square by b square plus 2 plus that is your b square by a square and under root. Now this means this now, so you write a by b plus b by a whole square will cancel, this is square root, okay. Then what I have here, a by b plus b by a. So this is the square root to this one. So this is our answer to that 35th question. So here we have finished our exercise 6D. See, few questions are left and these questions are given to as homework, so try to solve it by yourself, okay. So this is what for today's class, and thank you.